Hey, what's happening guys? Mike Moo here. In this video, we're gonna go ahead and unbox a new battery pack that I had just got from Amazon. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I am definitely gonna be posting a lot more videos in the future about tech, reviews and travel, and maybe some vlogs thrown in there. For those of you that subscribe, thank you very much. I am getting close to 1,300 subscribers and I should be there sometime this week. All right, let's go ahead and get started. This is the Bonai portable charger. It is 12,000 milliamp hours. What is pretty unique about this is that not only is the price under 20 bucks, which I think is a magical price for anybody looking for a USB battery pack now, but this is going to be my first personal one that actually supports both micro USB and lightning inputs. All right, most battery packs out there, if you've purchased any recently, you know that most of the inputs only support micro USB. If you're an iPhone user, this means you're gonna have to bring a micro USB cable on top of a lightning cable. This battery pack at under $20 should hopefully solve that problem by allowing you to go ahead and use lightning or micro USB. All right, let's go ahead and take a look and open up the box and see what we got going on inside. I have and use a lot of battery packs, and I'm always interested in finding out a little bit about what's new. I'm always changing my battery packs and constantly rotating them in and out. So this again is my first one of this type. Now this might be branded under Bonai, but I wouldn't be surprised if you find a similar type of pack that is going to be very basically identical. All right. As you can see, this type of packaging, I don't know who copies who, is very similar to some of the other big name brands, such as Anchor or I don't know, PowerAd, any of these other ones that are often being sold on Amazon. Okay, first impressions. This one is white, feels very solid, meaning that I'm giving it a good squeeze, and there's not a whole lot of movement going on in there. There's nothing actually that shakes it. It seems to be fairly well built. It has capacity stated here of 12,000 milliamp hours, inputs at up to 2.1 amps, which is, pretty typical and it has two outputs that both output at 2.1 amps. So I wonder if this can double output at 5 volts, 2.1 amps, and charge basically both being capable of doing a faster charging on any of the current modern day smartphones or also iPads. What's really nice is that they also give you these two cables. So one is a micro USB, and I'm hoping the other one is just some generic lightning cable, which you could use. This easily saves you a couple of dollars, or gives you a little bit of value add by providing both of these. And yep, they do. So I'm taking a fairly close look, and I want to say this is basically a B grade. It's not going to pass anything that looks or functions maybe similar. It does not mention anything about MFI capabilities, but it's just a nice surprise for them to have that in here as well. User manual is probably not going to say too much on here. Let's see. Exquisite and portable handheld. Well, the English is not very good. Lithium-ion battery, 12,000 milliamp hours. LED shows the remaining power of use. There's four little indicator lights right here. As you can see, it comes charged at about just over half, or maybe up to 75%. Typical relative humidity and operating ranges right here. To turn it on, press the power key. Make the LED power indicator start, and if you hold it, I think if you hold it down, it's going to turn on this little LED light up top here, and I'm just trying to figure that out here. Not sure. Turn off. Long press for nearly 3 seconds to turn the power bank off, but the power bank will automatically turn off after 10 seconds if nothing's connected. Yep, that's true. Let's see. Charge the device is 2.1. Yeah, pretty much nothing else. Okay, to turn on the backup flashlight, press the on-off button twice. Yep, there it is. And this is just really small. It reminds me of basically a key light on maybe on a keychain there. And that's pretty much about it. There's a 1-year warranty that it says is included with the unit. Yeah, it really looks fairly straightforward. As far as a 12,000 milliamp hour battery pack goes, I want to say this is not really the smallest or slimmest or lightest. So if you're really looking for the slimmest and the lightest, you might have to consider some other options. This is not something that I would do in terms of my everyday carry. When I say my everyday carry, I'm talking about maybe something really small. For women, it'd be like a small handbag or small purse. This seems to be way more than I would need for a day. Maybe I would use it across several days, or if I need to charge multiple, maybe charge a tablet up a whole once, or maybe 1.5 times. Maybe my iPad Pro, it would be able to handle that. For an everyday carry item, this would probably be something that I'd fit in my backpack. But all the same, or maybe leave it in a car, because my wife uses Android and she uses micro USB, and we usually keep that there. I use an iPhone primarily as my daily driver, so we will both be able to use this together when we're out traveling without carrying any extra cables. For now, a lot of times what I use is I will use a cable such as this one here by Native Union that has both the plugs, the lightning, and also the micro USB. Moving forward with all the devices now, I'm starting to use USB-C. I'm going to have to look into maybe a battery pack that has both USB-C input, micro USB, and lightning, or if anything, the USB-C and the lightning, the two major ones that are going to be the standards moving forward. So if you have any battery pack that fits those criteria and you find a great deal on it, please give me a tweet, let me know, comment down below so I can go and check it out. But for now, that's just a quick unboxing and look at the Bonai portable charger, which is right now going for $19.99 on Amazon. This video is not sponsored or endorsed by any company. I went ahead and picked this up when I saw that this was available on the cheap. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and I will catch you in the next one. If you are interested in long-term update on this, please give me a couple of months to go actually use this and run it through some tests before I give you an update. But if you are looking for a video update, just let me know. If not, I'll probably just comment down below in this video and tell you guys, what I have going on with it and how well it's working out, and also do some sort of comparison after I get a few more battery packs in here. I'm talking about modern battery packs, battery packs that are still being manufactured and produced now and today. All right, thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video.